Come test drive the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, trip computer, power outlets. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.